Hello, this is Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, let's talk about this Bitcoin price prediction today. So let's stay tuned. In today's episode, I will talk about mainly Bitcoin because Bitcoin doesn't seem like it's doing very good. But before I talk about it, before I do any price prediction, I just want to share with you this poster. So Crypto MY, which is me, will do a collaboration with Huobi again. Huobi was sponsoring this event for free crypto education for all. It's free. It will be at Google Meet. It is an online event. So if whoever wants to learn more about cryptocurrencies, who want to learn more about how to start trading in cryptocurrencies, I believe that this is much more towards the beginner level. I'll try to do my best to share all my experience. How do you want to trade? How do you want to earn some money through crypto journey? Okay, so if you guys interested, you guys can actually click this link below this Google form to register. And joining this event, Huobi will do a lot of free giveaway. So remember to check it out. I'll put down the link at below also so you guys can register straight away. Okay, so let's get back to this price prediction. This is what is going to happen to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin doesn't seem like it's doing very well right now. You see that it has a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, can you see the head and shoulder pattern here? Which is like a middle finger pattern. And the worst case is this candlestick seems like it's closing down below. So if this candlestick closes below, then we will have trouble, which is the Bitcoin will have a potential to drop even more towards this 36,000. Can you see that? This support line has been hold for quite some time already. Previously, it was struggling around this area. Previously, it was struggling around this area. When it break through, it just shoot all the way up. Same goes to here. When it fails to break multiple times on this support level, it just shoot all the way back up again. So same goes with this area. You can see here, this area also doesn't manage to close above. Every time it just touches on this support level, we put it at 40,000 level. Whenever it touches the 40,000 level, it seems like it will just bounce back. But right now, you can see this candlestick seems like it's going further down, and it might even go further down more. I mean, this is the worst case scenario. Yeah, based on technical data. Okay, I wish that Bitcoin always go up in value, but we always need to prepare for the worst case scenario, which is something like this. Okay, so this is daily chart. Let's go on the 4-hourly chart. We want to see what's really happened, what's really going on. As you can see, this previously I actually drawn in my Telegram group. So if you guys haven't joined my Telegram group, feel free to join. So I actually stated that during this period of time, Bitcoin was struggling around this area, this zigzag moment. And when it breaks below, you see when this candlestick breaks below, it just go all the way down to the nearest support level, which is this area. So right now you can see it seems like it's gonna break another support level to go even lower to this area. So how do we confirm that? It's very easy. We look at the daily chart, right? You can actually put the Fibonacci retracement to check whether or not it is doing good or bad. So in order to do that, you just need to click on the Fibonacci retracement and you need to put at the lowest support level that you can find is to this area where it was struggling. So you can put it from here to here. You can see that this 0.786 line. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. You can see here, this is how it looks like. You see the 0.618 and the 0.76 line, it was around this area, and right now it's kind of break below. And let's say if it breaks below, you can see the 1.618 line just falls around this area, which is around 37,000 area. And this 2618 area is around this area, which is 31,000 to 32,000. So if it falls, it might go even lower all the way to 30,000. I mean, that is the worst case scenario if it managed to break all support level that we can find. But let's say if the daily chart, if it managed to somehow close above this 0.786 line later in the evening or later today, then we might see another stronghold at the 40,000 area. So I would say, right, if I were you, I would be not panic, not to sell right now, and monitor where is Bitcoin is heading later in the evening. Because right now it's morning, anything can happen. It can happen a reversal so quickly. So right now it's because of FUDs or because of panic. That's why people start to sell and sell and sell, and then that's what causes the Bitcoin to drop further down. So, I mean, that is the worst case scenario. But you can see right now on the hourly chart, it seems like the bear are quite strong compared to the bull. But this is also a good time for the whales to accumulate more and more Bitcoin. So when you guys sell, when the retailer sells, the whales will be, haha, I will be collecting all your Bitcoin at lower price because of the panic. And that is how they're able to manipulate the market. I mean, that is the one of the case lah. Okay, so don't be panic. I would say based on this situation, yes, even though it looks so bearish, even look at the RSI, look at the momentum isolator. It seems like it's a little bit oversold. It right now stays below the 30. And I would say, right, usually when it stays below that area, it will have a reversal. We call it a cool down area, whereby we want to see how fast it able to reverse, where it able to reverse. Let's say if it reverse still below 40,000, then I would say the bear will continue. But let's say if it reverse back up to 40,000, then you will have a possibility to reverse back all the way up to 43,000. This is just based on technical analysis, and I believe that when Bitcoin falls, most of the altcoins fall. So I won't be talking about all the altcoins. But if you ask me what coin, what crypto that you should be considering, I would say Cardano, because Cardano has just launched its Sunday swap early in the morning just now, and it seems like it's doing very, very well. Of course, there's a lot of fuss. Usually, this happens. And the cons that I see is even the Sunday Swap is launched, there are only 4 projects that are listed in Sunday Swap so far by today. And I believe that when the times comes, days by days, there will be more and more and more tokens and project will be listed on Sunday Swap. So I would say if you are looking at a long-term project, if you're finding for long-term project, I would say Cardano is one of them. Of course, you have a lot of opinion like, oh, what about Solana? What about Avalanche? These are all also good projects. So it really depends on what project that you're looking for, and just be confident in that project and accumulate more for long-term vision. Okay, so I think that's all for today. I will hope to see you guys soon on this Saturday, which is a live event on the online event. Again, I'll show you guys this is the online event, and I hope to see you guys soon. And goodbye.